Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! So, it's December 25. We're going to Korea! Pero before we go to Korea, punta tayo sa SM Aura with the family. And para kumain and maggala muna.
Changed my life, and I could never leave your side. I swear I'm here for life. It feels too right when I'm with you. Every problem fades away. I can never run.
We are now sa Naiya Terminal 3 and we're now dropping our bag off.
Thank you, Lord, for this holiday trip.
See you, Korea!
Bye!
When I'm with you, I put everything away just to have you one more day. Yeah. When I'm with you, always feels like a sunny day. You move all the pain
Hi
away.
guys! We are now in
Heaviest dyan.
Korea! Oh my God! Ang lamig! 3 degrees. 3 degrees right now.
lamig.
Sobrang lamig! Woo! Pero wala pang snow. So, anong oras na, Mami?
12? Past 12?
It's past 12 midnight. Good morning, guys! So, it's now December 26. So, nandito kami ngayon sa apartment Airbnb na nirent namin. Say hi!
Hi.
Quick apartment tour. Ayan, we have 2 beds. Dito kami magkakapatid. And then we have a clothes rack. And then TV. We have the bathroom here. Small kitchen, laundry area. All together na. And then refrigerator, dining. And then another room where my parents are. Say hi, Mommy. Hi! Say hi. Eh.
Sawadee.
This is the apartment outside. Let's go. This is outside. That's Kuya Sid. Guys, para akong ay, hindi kita. Pero merong usok na lumalabas. So, this will be our home for the next 8 days. So, we're going outside for a late dinner kasi late na kami gumising. So, let's go. We're in 7-Eleven in Korea. First 7-Eleven stop. It looks like, parang lang naman siya sa Pilipinas. Let's check yung mga napapanood natin sa TikTok. Ayan yung ice cup. Nandito yung mga coffee na napapanood natin na ASMR. This one. Ito yung ilalagay.
One good thing yung mga
Apet bottle. Oo.
Ako din, no?
First snow. So now they're doing a short tutorial. Guys, super lamig. But bearable naman siya. Pero hindi ko na maramdaman yung labi ko. Pati sinisipon na ako out of snow. But yeah, having fun. Hello, where are we going now, Kuya?
We're going to Ansol Tower for our first stop. And we're going to have late lunch. It's already 1:34. And
Feels like midnight.
yeah, we're just taking it slow.
How many degrees? Right
It's 1 degree, but feels like -2.
OMG, so cold.
Troubles at bay. My superhero is never too late. So stick around.
Another
please,
one.
walking your way. Everything I fear will start to decay. Don't let me down, please. So take my crown, dear. Don't let me down tonight. The stakes are high.
Hello, so we are now in our cutlet. And they have free soup.
Spicy cutlet.
Nice. So we'll try this
Saka
now.
spicy pork chop.
Hey, bread.
Tomato
Here. Don't let me drown tonight. Don't let me. Don't let me. Don't let me drown tonight. Don't let me. Don't let me drown tonight. Head over heels. Feels like a daydream. Not sure if it's real. Oh, stick around, please. So take my crown, dear. Don't let me down tonight. The stakes are high here. Don't let me drown tonight. Don't let me. Don't let me drown tonight. Don't let me. Don't let me drown tonight. Out of the blue, crazy about you, my brown-eyed angel. Hard to get through, my love for you. Oh, so faithful. So take my crown, dear. Don't let me down tonight. The stakes are high here. Don't let me drown tonight. Don't let me. Don't let me drown tonight. Don't let me. Don't let me drown tonight.
Guys, nasa CR kami ngayon sa Seoul Tower. And look at their CR. Overlooking, guys. Imagine. Okay, sa CR muna ako. So we're now here at Don't Look Up. So it's an aesthetic photo booth. And magpipicture muna kami before going down.
Sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion. Just my kind of heat, keep it on repeat. Tested by the potion, loving this devotion. Live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I know.
Guys, nandito kami nagwo-wait for the coffee. Medyo pogi yung barista. Pogi count number 1. I mean, madami naman pogi, pero eto lang yung parang, ay, pogi, ganun.
Nakapasado.
Pasado. More to come. It's cool.
Switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly just in time for the ride to go. Taking control of the night. I want to run the red lights. I got to run this show. You always take me so high. You always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe. You're like a centerfold. Ooh, that's what it is. You got what I need.
Hey, what's that?
Emotion.
God, super lamig.
You got nothing to lose. Give me that good reaction. Gonna make it right, little like another.
So we are on our way down and we found a gym. Yeah, it's a public gym. Taking a rest lang from walking kasi ang sakit na sa face and sa paa ng lamig and ng sapatos ko. I don't know saan kami next na pupunta, but let's go.
So, we're here now. So, ayan. Still walking after our whole day. First day here in Korea. According to the weather forecast, it's -3 but feels like -6, sabi ni Kuya Sid. Pupunta kami ngayon sa aming dinner place.
I'm on the road, it's my time. Taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights. I've got to run this show. You always take me so high. You always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe. You're like a centerfold. Ooh, that's
Hi guys, so we are now back sa hotel. Airbnb. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog masyado kasi sumakit na yung paa ko talaga sa sapatos ko. So I'm not gonna wear the boots anymore sa mga susunod na araw muna. Anyway, manonood kami ng Squid Game by 11:30. It's now 10:30 I think. And then mag-snack muna tayo. I got Yakult pero walang straw. Nalimot humingi. And then this, buksan natin. Stop. Okay, open. Cheers. See you tomorrow, guys.
Ay, hindi ba? Ay, hindi.
Hi guys, we're now in Dongdaemun History and Cultural Park Station. Super lamig. Mas malamig today kaysa kahapon. And si Mami. Mami, say hi.
Hi! Hello! Annyeong!
Yes. Magpipicture lang kami dito for today's video. Oh my god. Lamig. Hi guys, so we are now in Myeongdon ata. We went back to the Lot Mall and nag-food trip na lang kami, and then we went to Pop Mart, and now last stop na sa isang clothing store. We're waiting for Kuya, and that's it for today. Hello, we are back sa apartment and we are now going to prepare. Before we watch Squid Game, we are going to cook dinner. What's our dinner?
Hi. Very,
Simple.
ay, napakahirap i-prepare.
Simpleng tao lang. So, ito yung food natin for tonight. Let's unpack. Of course, the cheesy putak. Some Fanta. Some, what is this? Trolley. Coffee. Another coffee. Noodles. And then, tuna kimchi. Pepsi. So that's dinner for tonight. Yay! Is it snowing? Snowing? Can I see? Meron na here. Day 3.
Day 3.
We are now here in Teddy Bear House. So we're gonna have breakfast. So coffee before we go sa Hanbok ulit to go to the palace. Kuya, look at my teddy bear. It's like sunbathing sa pistachio nuts. Ang lamig guys. Wala nang jacket pang salad ng lamig. May heatbox na lang. Now we're going to the palace.
Yeah.
Wearing our hanbok. Rento attire. Let's go. We're now here in Born to Stand Out. It's 3:50 p.m. and may break time pala yung mga restaurants here. So, close pa yung mga restaurants kahit maglo-lunch na dapat kami. So, we're just waiting for 5 p.m. before we get to have our late lunch. We are now in
the Museum, the M1 building.
M1 building.
The M1 building contains 120 works organized according to the themes of each floor.
Yeah, what he said. we are now in Park Seoul and we're gonna eat our late lunch.
Rice, soup, and small dishes. Just let me know.
Nami Island. Yes. I'm gonna explain about Seoul City.
Walang lugar na yun.
We are now in Obi Island Mountains. So we're gonna take photos for 50 minutes before heading to the next location.
mo? Okay, baka may magpuntahan.
We are now here in Petit Village and this is the Amor Wall and I found the Philippines. Mahal kita.
Hello.
Where are
We're
we?
here now in Naminara Republic, Nami Island. So we're going to explore Nami Island for almost 3 hours. And then we need to go back at around 4 or 4:30 so we can catch up with our ferry going back to the bus. So
It's so cold. So baka hindi mo siya na makapag-vlog.
so I will do it for you.
Okay.
Okay.
You do it for me. Here's the camera.
Tara, let's keep on walking.
Sino?
Alam mo na ako.
Hello.
Hello. Annyeong. Happy New Year.
Wala pa. It's December 31. So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog ng 29 at 30. Kasi nagkasakit ako noong 29. Tapos ng 30, I decided not to vlog since nag-mall lang naman kami sa Hyundai. And now, 31 na, we're gonna celebrate New Year's Eve in Korea.
We'll be going to Myeongdong.
Really? Doon ka punta?
We'll eat our dinner there. Enjoy 2025. Starting now, tonight, okay, up until next year. See ya next year. Let's see, ansa namang kami.
Ito, alin?
Yung teams.
Nakita yun pala ng chicken. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. It is now January 1 in Korea. What time is it?
1:36.
1:36, and we are going to Gangnam.
Galing na.
Never waste my time. You are I want.
Di close silang pareho.
Sadly, close yung Hyundai. So
sad for
yeah.
Anong
Closed pala siya pag New Year. So, we are gonna backtrack. What's the plan?
Sad for Dico kasi he's been waiting for this moment para dun sa dream toy niya dun sa fifth floor. So, we're going to try tomorrow yung lock.
Misinformation kayo. Meron pa rito mga misinformation. Fake news. Fake news yan. Fake news.
Oh, let's walk. Lotte World na lang. Lotte World Tower, not Lotte.
Ang ganda ng kuha niyo dyan, ni Dico.
Lotte World.
Daddy? Pareho ba?
Guess what we found? It's Harry's room. We even have Harry's bed inside, and there's Dobby and Harry's stuff.
Neither of us wanna be alone.
And then there's Happy Birthday Harry cake by Hagrid and a bonfire. Ay, fireplace pala.
Oh, it's what I'm living for. Say I'll never waste my time. I'm all you want. Oh, yeah, we live it up. I know for sure that I'll always be yours. We could be.
It is now January 3 and we are going to Lotte World para mag-rides. Sa cellphone na ako nag-vlog kasi wala akong bag para paglagyan yung camera. And si Mami.
Hello, good morning. This is our last day here in Korea. So, we'll make sure na enjoy namin ang last day. Also dine with our shopping
Last night. For pasalubong.
Tapos guess what? Kung anong pasalubong namin sa inyo.
Spending time chasing nights. Cruise the one until we see the sunrise. Hit my line, we align. Every night with you's the time of my life. Baby, don't feel no pressure. And you make everything easy, everything except leaving off. I'll never make you my enemy. Can't get enough of your energy. Know that you feel.
Hello! So, kakatapos lang ng ride namin sa Comet Express. And now we are going to eat lunch.
Yeah, it's still cold in Korea. Super cold Korea.
Ikaw magbabayad. Sabi, yun ang sabihin mo. Ayoko na pupuntahan yung sabihin mo.
Hey guys, we are now in Dior Cafe. And nandito na yung coffee namin. Parang ayokong inumin. Sirain.
This is my cookie, star cookie. Yeah? Very good. Okay, let me taste it. Yummy. Sarap.